Hi guys, today I will be fixing my grandpa's bird feeder, bird house. I don't know. All I know is that it was a bird feeder because it had some bird seeds in it. The wind blew it. It did hang from a tree, but the wind blew it, and yeah. So now I'll be trying to fix it. I found all the pieces that I could find. So I'm going to try to fix it. So, yeah. And, this is like my first time ever fixing like an old, car or, yeah, an old car. It's a cop car, but, yeah. So I tried to put together before as well. But it's kind of hard when, like, when you don't know what you're doing, especially, it's kind of hard to put it together, so. Because, like, I just don't have very good handship or whatever it's called. I'm gonna need a dang thing to, spread the glue on, ain't I? Okay, so I'm back and I found like a spoon or whatever, so I'm going to try to use that. Spread on there evenly. I don't really think it's going to work though. This is kind of really hard trying to get like this together and then looking over at my phone to see if it's actually recording or anything like that. Why is it not? Alright. How am I gonna just like hold it right there? God. I swear it's easier to do this type of thing better with like two people. This is not a one person job. It's kind of hard. Ugh, the fudge. This is actually kind of out. This is actually kind of hard, and this is really hot. How long do I have to hold this? This is gonna take a while. So, I will be on my YouTube channel more now. And I'm gonna be trying to put some of my drawings out there and do all that, so. I'm done being, absent. Because, like, and I'm gonna be doing, more stuff. Oh my god, no. So I will be doing, like, more stuff on YouTube. I'm going to be doing more videos and stuff like that. I'm going to be making more content. I got a comic book I just made. So I'll be, like, working on that and putting more of my stuff out here. That's not... That ain't gonna work. I don't know. I'll just even it out later. Could have been worse. I could be putting together like a jigsaw puzzle right now. My grandpa always like had these jigsaw puzzles. You know, so like when I saw this broken, I thought to myself, hey, that's actually not going to be that hard to like fix compared to what my grandpa tried to make me do, which was try and do like jigsaw puzzles. Alright. Try to glue that together now. Is this actually... Oh, dang. No. Come on. Almost just broke it. Alright. There we go. There. I'm not the best at this type of stuff. But I'm doing it. So that's good, right? And hey, if you guys see any like orbs flying around this video, please tell me in the comments. Ow! Oh my god, I just got on my finger. It's fine. It'll come off. It's fine. Alright, so I got that fixed. So, yeah. Got that fixed. Now, because there was a big side piece that broke off. Where did it go? But it's... See, and then there's this. Where did this even... Where did this part, like, even go? Like, did it go... Like, under? Or... What the heck? At least I got, like, most of it fixed, but still, like... Why do they have to make everything, like, so confusing? So I might have to make some pieces out of the clay. Dang it. The clay I got right here. I might have to make some... It's air dry clay, and it's from Korea. Korea? I don't know. I can't pronounce names right, but it's from whatever brand that says I'm gonna be doing, like, yeah. I'm gonna be trying to fix up the side of it. Trying to fix up the side. But if I can't find wherever little piece goes to whatever, it's like this right here I think would like go right over, no. Hey, right over here? So this is the like confusing thing about it. It's just, yeah, right there. Is that, yeah. No? Ow! Where does it go? It's one... Is it... Oh, that makes more sense. I see what it is. So does it go like this? Yeah? Maybe? Does it go like that? I don't know. So... Yeah, like that. No? It's just so confusing, and for how big you think the side piece would have been, I would have found it, but I ain't that lucky. Alright. So at least we got those two parts fixed. My brain is my brain is literally not thinking right now, like. Okay, so those two tire pieces go together. These right here, they go together. Alright. This is gonna take a while. Ow. I think I might need to be quiet because I can't I can't focus when I'm this loud. Oh, there it goes. Sorry, I should be doing it in front of the camera, but it's just like... It's like really... What the fuck? Frick? Sorry. It's just like, frick, like, what am I doing? Like... Where did this even go? Like... Someone help me. I am not smart in the type of way that whoever built this. Because I don't know, like, how would that... Is it the bottom part? Me being confused while trying to figure something out. I'm like literally confused right now. I'm gonna have to pause this because I can't, I don't know. Okay, so I'm back, and I don't think this glue thing is gonna work with gluing these two like tire pieces together, so I'm gonna be making a new... Excuse me? Sorry, there's a very loud woodpecker. I think. Next thing you know, a bird comes flying through the window. Shut up! How much you want to bet it's just a woodpecker? Probably just the rain. Well, that was weird. Okay, back to making the tire with the clay. Start seeing another, you start seeing a woodpecker fly through the window. Crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna make a tire. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing exactly. I'm just trying to fix my grandpa's thing, and he told me never to throw it away. Never. When I say never, I mean like never to throw it away. And there might have to be like a part 1, part 2 thing on this. Yeah. He told me never to throw it away. Never. Why is there's like glue all over the... I should have known. This is pretty much what glue does. It just sticks. Trying to get it spread out enough to where I can just like... It's still not enough. Like, I'm supposed to be using this clay just for like dragons and all that, but next thing you know, I'm using it to fix my grandpa's thing. Alright. And do this for like the tracks or whatever. Tire tracks. I actually don't know how to make a tire, so hopefully this turns out good because I am not an expert at making tires. The only thing I'm an expert, that ain't gonna work. The only thing like I'm an expert on is like drawing. I wouldn't say that I'm an expert, but I'm pretty good at it. Alright. Because like I know how to make like the tire thing, but I just don't. I don't know how to like do all that. I'm gonna have to pause this video again because like I just can't think. Okay, so I'm back and I tried to make a tire. It's round at least, right? It looks like crud. Every time I try to do something. Why every time why? Why does it do this? Like it looks like crud. Literally, it looks like crud. Like, why? Ugh, it doesn't even look good. I'm gonna have to trace those other tires, because this thing, like, are these other ones just going like, no, they're not. That's what I thought, but it's not at the same time, but I just don't know. It's like, really, I don't even know if this is gonna work. Because I don't, it's just, like, is it? Is it gonna work or is it not gonna work? Like, I still don't fully understand what the heck I'm doing. It's like I'm just gonna like wrap it around this back tire to like get the tire print off of it. Ah. Okay. Alright, carefully. Alright. There's the cruddy tire. Okay, I'm getting the feeling that I should just do like this side, that I should just do this and not do the tire yet. Oh, and I also figured out where this little thing goes. So that's good, I guess. Where did this thing even... Confusion. And this, I think, went like somewhere around right here. Then again, I don't know. So yeah, there's gonna have to be a part 2 on this. It's just like some of it I don't even know like what I'm doing really. Oh, there it is. So like I don't know. Like, would it go like right here? I have something like telling me yes, that's where it went. But like, yeah, because that seems about right. Yeah, that seems just about right. For it to go right there, and then have the other one, which I don't know where, oh, there it is. Have the other one go on like that. No. I just don't, like, no. Because I got something telling me it's part of that. Yeah. That is like, I don't know. I'm just going to try to fix the side of it anyway. Alright. Hopefully this works. Alright. Because I'm not the best at doing this type of stuff.
What's really coming down out there right now?
It's supposed to snow. I don't really think it will. Well, that looks like crud. That doesn't even look good. I can hear my grandpa right now telling me, stop doubting myself. He's up there saying the more you doubt it, the more terrible it will be. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Like, is that? No, it's not. Is it? I'm legit staring at it right now. Like, what do I do? I don't... Get out of there. I don't know what to do. It's just... Alright, there we go. So there's that. Probably looks, like not very good. Oh, frick. Okay, I got it. Alright, there we go. I'm really hoping that this turns out well. Okay, how does that look? Probably looks like trash. I know what you're thinking. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 on this, so... Yep. I have to do a part 2. Because I cannot do this all in one night. So I still got that part to fix. It's pretty good over here on this side though, but I still got some things to fix. Alright, so see you in the next video. Bye-bye!